Welcome to the Kona vlog. We spent the past couple days in Oahu and we just island hopped to Kona. Very excited. It was only a 30-minute plane ride, so very easy travel day compared to our other travel day from Florida to Honolulu.
We're staying at the Royal Kona Resort and enjoying a beautiful view. So we're really excited to check out the hotel a little bit more and maybe do some shopping.
Yes.
Get a little drink, something like that, you know. And we have a Jeep.
Yeah, we upgraded. Because we literally had to. You need like a 4x4 to go up to the Mauna Kea summit, so.
And my name is Kea. So what was I gonna do? Not go up Mauna Kea?
Exactly.
Wrong.
So.
Business expense.
Literally. It'll definitely be worth it and so much nicer than, I mean, I have beef with that Kia after what happened, so. Guys, I think I locked the car keys in the car. Also, I finally found a hat I like. I feel like it's so perfect and it's exactly what I wanted. I found it at the airport, so I just had to get it. I think it's really cute.
I'm so happy she found one after looking for so many days.
Yes. And then I also found this keychain. Look how cute! We decided to eat at the restaurant that's right at the hotel, and we got our free Mai Tais.
She looks delicious. Cheers. Oh, it's good. I like that. You like that?
Kind of just tastes like orange juice and alcohol.
I feel like you didn't mix it enough. I'm getting a lot of pineapple.
Oh yeah, pineapple. Pineapple and alcohol.
Well, that's what I like about it.
Our food came out really fast. I got the catch of the day tacos, so it's like ahi, but it looks really good.
I just put the lettuce and stuff on, but I got this delicious looking burger with like guacamole and cheese and then these steak fries. Hoping for some turtles and maybe some dolphins on the way there.
This spot's also very commonly referred to as Red Hill. Kind of hard to tell with the way the shadows are right now, but it's actually quite red. This is actually a volcanic cinder cone. This was formed as an off-gassing vent for a local volcano here at Hualalai, which you can see in the distance to our left a little bit. You can see it's sloping up into the clouds. It's actually the volcano that Kona is built on. Pretty common for the top to be covered in clouds because the top is a designated cloud rainforest, standing at 8,200 feet. Last time Hualalai erupted was 1805, and that's actually the lava flow the Kona airport's built on. As far as on the scale of things, and again, I saw that video of the barn helper arrest on the news. He never mentioned that.
I made it in the water. It feels so good. It's pretty deep where we are. They said it's like 100 feet. And all I see right now are just some fish.
Swimming at the bottom. Just got done with our boat day.
It was so good.
Yes, we got to see dolphins. They came up right to the boat, so I'm very happy.
They were so cute. I think I saw a baby one too. There was like a mom and there was a big one and a little one. So I think it was like a mom and a baby. But yeah, and the one spun right by the front of the boat where we were. So it was so cool.
The water was so pretty.
So blue.
Oh, did you see that little
No?
rat thing?
No, I did not. And I'm glad.
Anyways, so I think we're just going to go back to the hotel, shower, and then do some shopping.
Yeah, it's looking a little gloomy, so it's feeling like ABC storm.
And Kayla got burnt again. Look at her arm.
Just one arm. Why not this one? I'm sure.
We're headed to some of the shops and we found these little plumerias to put in our hair. But it looks like there's some shops coming up, so it wasn't that far of a walk.
Oh my gosh, what does that smell?
Yeah, we are hungry.
It smells.
I'm craving shave ice.
I'm on rice.
Now you
But
want
I'll
rice?
eat whatever.
Yeah.
I'll eat whatever. I'm fine. They have some really cute stuff in here. Like, I like that font.
What'd you get?
I got an iced coffee. Kona coffee is famous, so I gotta see what all the hype's about.
We also got this blondie. It's a chocolate chip blondie and it has coconut in it too. It's so good. Finally got my shave ice. I am so excited. It looks so good. I got the Hawaiian trio, which is guava, what was it? Guava, coconut, and
mango?
I don't know, strawberry or something. And then I added the condensed milk and mini mochi. They even give you like a little stand. I just love how like fluffy the ice is.
Yeah, I can already tell. Like, it's not giving snow cone. It's definitely giving shaved ice. It just like touches your tongue and like immediately melts.
Good morning. Today is our last full day on Kona. So we woke up and we got coffee at the coffee place we went to yesterday. I got a caramel macchiato. It's good. I just wish the coffee flavor was a little bit stronger because it's just kind of giving caramel milk, and I'm not a fan of milk, so maybe that's my own fault for ordering that. And then I got a bacon, egg, and cheese on a plain bagel. Let's see. It looks really good.
Hi! I got a Kona iced coffee with vanilla in it. And I got the same one yesterday, but this one looks different. I think this one has like less milk in it, but it's really good, so I like it a lot. And then I just got a bagel and cream cheese to enjoy.
These are my shell finds. Okay, we found a poke spot and it's in this big little marketplace, so we're gonna get some food and just explore.
It's super cute.
The poke place that we wanted to go to apparently doesn't exist, so
It must have moved.
Apple Maps lied to us. So there's a taco truck at the little marketplace, so I got the birria pork tacos.
And I got uno fish burrito. I haven't gotten to the fish yet, but it's really good.
This looks so good. You guys know I always need a fun drink, especially when I'm eating a good meal. I got a lemonade slushie. Very refreshing.
Literally every day, she's like, I need a fun drink.
I do.
Can I try a little bit of this? So many. It's a baby. Stop. It's a baby one. Oh my gosh.
I'm so scared. I'm sorry.
Excuse me, what? If we don't make it back, man.
You never see this vlog.
Yeah, you know what got us. Okay, so we made it to the Mauna Kea access road. We are headed to the visitor center, which is like, how far up is the visitor center?
It said it, I don't know, but it just said it's 6 miles away from where we are now.
Oh my gosh.
We made it to the Mauna Kea Visitor Center, and the elevation is around 9,000 feet, and at the top it's 13,000. So we have to stay here for 30 minutes to just get adjusted to the elevation.
My head already hurts, so I'm scared.
But look at my Lunchable, the pressure from the air. So we're just gonna like eat our snacks and then we'll head up.
I'm trying the mango peelables since the lychee was so good.
It smells really good. Did you peel it?
I'm trying to decide if I want to peel the first one or just pop it in my mouth.
I'm peeling it. Oh, this thing is weird. I feel like they don't really peel that well. I'm just gonna eat
The
this.
lychee one was more peely.
The mango's good.
Oh, yeah.
Look how beautiful this view is. I got these gummy bears to try, Noms, and it says they have Lee Hing and lemon peel on them.
Oh my word, the nom on the back, he's holding a musubi.
I know, they're literally so cute. Yes, I buy things based solely on the packaging. Oh, these look scary. Ooh. I don't know if I'm gonna like these. The packaging is so cute and so scary inside.
What is it meant to be?
Oh,
Covered in Lee Hing and lemon peel.
I feel like it's kind of giving like tahini. It's not my favorite, but
It smells.
I'm happy that I tried it. I like to try new things.
The packaging is so cute. I'm eating Dorito.
Yeah, let me get one of those.
Not a new thing, but
Yeah.
a classic.
We made it to the top of the summit. It's so beautiful. It's so cool to see the clouds
Under you.
Yeah. It's very cold though.
I'm literally freezing.
It's very cold. Sunset was a success.
It's so beautiful. I'm really cold.
Yeah, it's so cold I can't feel my hands. But I think that was so worth it.
Being above the clouds for the sunset is just like, the pictures aren't doing it justice. Like,
Yeah.
it's just so magical.
I said this is probably like a top 5 experience for me. Like, I don't know that I've ever seen anything like this.
I agree. I mean, even just like being at Mauna Kea is a top 5 experience
Yeah.
for me. So the
Yeah.
sunset is just like an extra. But yeah, it's like, it's so stunning.
And I'm not looking forward to heading back down, but
The man's instructions was not.
literally
We're just girls.
I've never driven like an all-wheel drive, so I'm from Florida. But this was the perfect way to end the day.
and kind of the trip.
And yeah, our last full day here, so. Okay, we just got back to our hotel room. We have to pack up our stuff. We don't have to check out till 11 a.m. So we have a little bit of time, and then we'll probably just go shopping because our flight is not till 9:40 p.m. So
So we have the whole day, but we just can't be in our room anymore.
Yeah.
So, on the move.
Kea finally got her poke.
I got the salmon, the non-spicy version, the rice, and then I think they said these are kimchi cucumbers. I don't really know what that will be like, but I'm excited to try it. It looks really good and it smells good.
I don't like raw fish, so I got the tofu.
Hmm.
And I got the rice with like the sesame seaweed seasoning and the edamames. And then I got a side of spicy mayo, of course.
Oh, and we both got like these fun juices.
Receipts because if you spend over $100 they let you pick out like a free item, and then I think it's like, so $100 you get a free item, and then like 300 and up you can pick like different level of items, and then so on. So we both spent around like $130, and the guy was nice and he let us pick out 2 items. So I got this little tote and it's Hello Kitty. I'm really excited. And then I also got this calendar, so I'm thinking I might give it to my mom or just keep it for myself, because I like to have a calendar to like put on the fridge.
Oh, and look, show them like what the pictures are. It's like really pretty.
A bunch of different photos.
I didn't want a calendar. Another thing was a mug, and I didn't think I could get the mug home without breaking it. So I just got 2 bags. So I got this bag that's like the I Love Hawaii, Aloha State. And then I got this bag that has the islands.
Yeah, we just walked around and shopped, and I got this little like solar powered hula that you can put on the dash. Cause I feel like my mom mentioned that she's like wanted one, so I got it for her. Or she can just like set it on her desk at work.
Yeah.
And then I bought more of these mango gummies because they were so good, and I will be eating them all.
Yeah, I still have some in my bag for the plane. This was my gift trip, even though I did still get one thing for myself, but oh well. So I got this magnet for my mom, and then I got these earrings for my mother and sister-in-law, and then I got stickers for my brother and father-in-law, and then I did get something for myself. Whoopsies. I got these Maria earrings. And then I wanted to show, because I didn't get to show it last night because I was distracted by being cold, but I got this. My dad collects coins, and I got this cool Mauna Kea. Nice. It says 2025 on the back, like it's a special Mauna Kea like 2025 coin, so he can put it in his little coin case.
What are you finding?
Romper.
Hard to kill some time. It's only 4 o'clock, so we're gonna go explore this beach that we found, and people said they've seen turtles, so hoping for turtle spotting.
And the sun's behind a cloud right now, so the weather's actually really nice.
Yeah, it
So
feels
we're
good.
hoping that that keeps up.
That's really cool.
There he is. Hi, baby.
We made it to the airport. It's 7:30, so we have like 2 hours. No, well the plane boards at like 8:55.
Yeah.
So an hour and a half.
Because, okay, it's not scheduled to leave until 9:40, but because it's an open air airport, everyone has to walk out on the tarmac, walk themselves like right up to the plane, and then up into the plane. So it's gonna take a long time.
Yeah.
So
The whole airport is outside, and I'm sweating. I put my pants on.
Alexa's not made
I'm
for this.
regretting my
This life.
decisions.
This is island life right here.
But it's been a fun trip.
It's been amazing. I got to do everything I wanted to do and more. So I'm super excited, and I'm happy to have gone with you.
It's very fun.
And now we're excited to be back in our houses
Yeah.
with all of our stuff and not a suitcase.
Aloha, Kona.